this weird tickle in my nose. Sounds like we're dealing with another stuck sneeze problem. But not to worry, I have something that'll help. You do? What is it? Well, I just so happen to have this pepper shaker with me. If my calculations are correct, inhaling this pepper should cause you to sneeze within less than 30 seconds. Are you serious? Less than 30 seconds? Guys, get ready to turn down your sound. I have a feeling I'm gonna let out a sneeze unlike any other. Are you ready for this, Audrey? I sure am. But before we do this, I'd like to make one little suggestion. Could you do it on the count of 3? Very well then. 1, 2, 3. Ladies, gentlemen, last warning. Turn down your volume, please. Audrey, are you gonna... Gesundheit. Yeah, Gesundheit. Thank you. That was quite a sneeze, Audrey. Are you all right? Yeah, I guess. My nose is kind of runny, but I'm just glad I got that sneeze out. Yeah, me too. Here, Audrey, you can have this tissue. Thanks, Doc.